Jeff's farm sits a stone's throw from the southern border of the Rooster lease. The crossing stand is located on the edge of a lush green food plot, carved out of a large CRP field with a timber stand backdrop. A strategically placed Reconyx has captured numerous photos of deer traveling along the creek bottom, straight into the food plot to feed. Jeff steers clear of the whitetail bedding sanctuary to the north and only hunts the crossing with a northwest wind. Jeff has placed a doe decoy in the center of the plot to lure in any rut-crazed bucks cruising through the crossing.